How long you been married?
We've been married since '92. So what is that, 32 years?
How? Like for the
We
masses?
want to be.
Yeah.
You gotta want it. You just gotta want it, man. You can't, like, I don't want nobody to have my woman. She mine, I'm hers.
You don't stay with a person for as long as you've been with your person and can honestly say, man, every single day I wake up and it's just, doves flying.
I mean, but who in your life is it like that with?
Yeah.
You don't like your mama every day. Some days she get on your nerves. Some day, your brother, sister, people that you love and spend a lot of time with. Every day ain't gonna be roses.
Yeah.
You can't expect that from your spouse. So it's really all about real